Alrighty, Andrew, here's your small block Ford on the dyno. Give you a description of this combination. It has got a set of our new CNC cylinder heads. Got the Edelbrock Pick Jr. MSD Pro Billet. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller, front sump oil pan. You sent your carburetor in. We did some jet work on it for you and everything. Everything's good. We'll go in there and make a run, see how she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, let's see here, 3,600, 480 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 549, good and flat there, peaks horsepower 580, so it stacks three of those there really flat up there. That's impressive. We're rated at 575, so everything's good. Next thing to do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. I'll show you a couple other little things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. It's got your engine build specs, tech videos, dyno videos. I highly recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specifications. That engine number, if you need anything from us, is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, there'll be a UR code there. Hover over that, take us to our site. Be some more technical stuff. Highly recommend watch all this stuff. It'll help your installation. Have a great day.